Worthy brother knights and worthy sir knights from Zamboanga City and the world. Good morning. This is the Knights of Columbus from Sambasuli, MC, Zamboanga City, conducting Walk for Life, headed by our very own State Deputy, Sir Knight Junjun Tan, and RD, our Regional Deputy Sir Knight Victor Montero. And also here, our Master of the Fourth Degree, Sir Knight Manuel Buen. And all DDs, district deputies from different districts, granites from different councils are here participating this event here in Zamboanga City. So buenos dias, Zamboangueño de Zamboanga. So ito po ang Latin City here in the Philippines, the only Latin city in Asian country. So brother knights, good morning, and thank you for the participation for this event. Walk for life. We save life, we protect life, we care life. Remember, our first principles is charity. So helping others, serve God by helping people. So brother knights, as we can see, this place, this is the center of Zamboanga City. This is the city hall of Zamboanga City. Dito po tayo ngayon, nag-walk for life. Ang oras po natin ay alas 5:57 ng umaga, Sabado. So thanks God for the gift of life. Thanks God for the fresh air. Thanks God for the lights and the beauty of the environment. Zamboanga City, the aton este, limpio Zamboanga, the city of flowers. And the Knights of Columbus are here, walking to save life, walking for life, and march for life. So Zamboanga City, thank you, and God bless. This is the City Hall of Zamboanga City. So, eto, all the leaders from Knights of Columbus are here. State Warden Jungtan, State Warden, and the Senior Advisor, Granite Joel from Council 10481, officers and members from different council. They are here participating this event, the March for Life. Sir Knight Kokoy, Tuayon, pwede ito. Dito. Mga kapabards, the city of Zamboanga. This is the Plaza Pershing, and they're going back to our very own cathedral here in Zamboanga City, the Metropolitan Cathedral. Going there. Good morning, good morning, good morning mga kapaparts. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa sentro ng Zamboanga City sa Cathedral. So, nag-participate po tayo ng Go for Life dito sa Knights of Columbus sa Zamboanga City. All councils from Zamboanga City are participating this event, the Walk for Life or March for Life. So, this is the beauty of Zamboanga City Cathedral. Yeah. So, sa sobrang laki di makita doon banda sa taas mga kapaparts. Basta. So mga kapaparts, I wish you all God protected. Bye-bye.